Hello everyone and welcome to this WinTask 7 tutorial. Moving data from an Excel file to web forms is easy and can be done in just 5 minutes. So, first, we're going to have this Excel file read and stored into arrays, and then we're going to fill this form here. Let's get to the code part. Before we start recording, we have the option to select which browser we are going to use. For each of the options, you need the specific browser extension installed, so please make sure that you have that ready. We will use Google Chrome for this. Fill out the form with any data you prefer. Click the Submit button. And now stop the recording. We can see here the generated script from our recording. Let's test it. It's missing a way to close the browser, so we can write the close browser function at the end of our script. Now let's declare some arrays of each column of the Excel file. I will say 50, but if there are more letters in your string, you can put more. We create one for the path of the file. Next, we use the wizard for the function called readExcel. In the first field, we put in the file path. Then we insert the cell range for the content to be stored in an array, in this case, called area. A3 to A27. For the result array, we are simply going to use the variable area. And then the syntax is simply inserted into the code. We should remove the quotes here as this is a variable and not a path. This is better as in case of a change of path we only have to modify it once. Let's copy and paste this 5 times for each column and then replace the data. We're also going to replace the string data that was captured with the recorder with our arrays. Now finally, we need to loop all this. Now this syntax here means that it will repeat until the last cell is empty. In our case, that will be the end of our table. We need a counter that will increment after each run. We also need to add this counter to each of your write HTML syntaxes. And a repeat until function. Let's try it. And as you can see, it works great. Thank you very much, and write in the comments which type of guide you would like to see in the future.